In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report and blacklist a supplier on 1688. We'll start with what to do when you've already placed an order and something goes wrong. Open the 1688 app and go to Woday, which is my account. From there, tap Woday Dingdan or My Orders and pick the order that's causing issues. To open a formal case, select Shenqing Tuiquan Wu Weiquan, which translates to refund or rights protection. You'll see several categories to match your situation. Choose the one that fits best, such as Qijia for fraud, Jiahuo for fake goods, Weifa Huo for not shipped, or Yumiaoshu Bufu for not as described. Picking the most accurate reason helps support review your case faster. Next, strengthen your claim with clear evidence. Upload screenshots, photos, or short videos that show what happened. This could include product images, chat records, or anything that indicates the problem. Keep your description straightforward and specific. English is fine if that's easier for you. Once everything looks complete, submit the case. During the review, Alipay's escrow will freeze the payment, which means your funds are protected while the platform investigates. If you spot a suspicious seller before you buy, report them directly from the store page. Tap the supplier's store name to open their shop, then scroll down or tap the three-dot icon labeled Geng Duo for more. Choose Jubao, which means report, select the reason. Options include Qijia Xingwei for fraud, Xujia Xinxi for false information, or Yudao Xianxia Jiaoyi for off-platform payment, and submit. This alerts 1688 to investigate the store's behavior and helps protect other buyers as well. To stop unwanted contact, you can blacklist or block a supplier. If you've messaged them, open your chat, tap or settings, choose Jia Ru Hei Ming Dan, add to blacklist, and confirm. You can also do this from the store page. Open the shop, tap Gongdo, select Jiaru Heiming Dan, and confirm. Once added, you won't receive messages from that supplier anymore. If the situation needs extra attention, escalate to customer service. Go to Kofu, the help center, choose buyer support, and start a live chat. To reach a human agent, type Ren Gong Ki Fu. Share the evidence you gathered and clearly summarize the timeline of events. Keep an eye on your messages for follow-ups from the platform so you can respond quickly if they request more details. That's it. With these steps, you can report problems, flag risky sellers, block unwanted contacts, and escalate when necessary, all within the 1688 app.